Welcome students to class 5 revision. Today I have got a test on perimeters, area and volume for you. Questions are under various category heads. First is fill in the blanks. Question 1. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus dash. Think of the formula of perimeter of a rectangle and fill in the blank here. B. Area of a dash is equal to side into side. Here you have to write area of which figure. It could be rectangle, square, triangle or anything. So that you have to think and write here. C. Area of a rectangle with length 10 centimeters and breadth 2 centimeters is dash square centimeter. So unit is already given. You have to calculate and find the area and write the number here. You can take hint from the A part. D. Put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. Area of a rectangle, length 13 meters and breadth 9 meters. Now you have to compare this with area of a square of side 12 meters. So in this you will first find out the area of the rectangle, then you will find area of the square and compare, and after that you will put the sign. Then E part, 1 cubic meter is equal to dash cubic centimeter. Here you have to convert cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 cubic meter has 3 meters inside it. So you have to convert all the 3 meters into centimeter. I have given you a good enough hint. I am sure you will be able to do it. True or false. Now second category of questions are true-false questions. Mark true or false. A. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. B. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth into height. C. 1 cubic decimeter is equal to 1000 cubic meter. D. Volume of a cube whose edge is 20 meters is 8000 cubic meter. Edge means one side. E. Volume of a cuboid whose length is 3 meters, breadth is 2 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters is 50 cubic centimeter. So basically in D and E part you have to find the volume and then check whether the answer given is true or false. Multiple choice questions. Now this is a category where you will be given 4 options and you have to choose one out of these 4. Question 3. The length and breadth of a rectangle is 40 centimeters and 16 centimeters respectively. Find the perimeter. So here 4 options are given. You have to find the correct option. Now here you can see the numbers are same in A and B but the units are different. Similarly C and D numbers are same, units are different. Choose your answer very wisely. Students, the options can be very confusing at times. Here you have to find the perimeter. If you mix up the formula and find the area, you will find that answer also here. So you have to be careful to take the correct answer only where the perimeter is calculated and the proper unit is used. Question 4. The perimeter of the following figure is, the figure is here on the right and you have to find the perimeter. A hint, perimeter is sum of all sides. If you have a question like this, 34 is there in all the 4 options. You don't even have to actually go and add these numbers. When you add all these, you will get 34. I can tell you even without calculating because all the 4 options have 34 as the number. Now what you have to do is you have to tell which is the correct unit. Sometimes in multiple choice questions, you can skip the calculation by looking at the 4 options. So this is a question of that category. Question 5. The area of the shaded portion is. Now here again, similar question with all the numbers as 7, only the difference is in the units. So carefully choose the correct answer. Question 6. Area of a square of side 5 millimeters is. Here you have to choose the correct answer out of the 4 options. Question 7. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 1.2 kilometer. 4 options are given. Choose your answer. Students, purpose of any test is to identify your weak points and correct it. So correction is a very important part of this test. And don't forget to reattempt the questions that you have got wrong. Question 1, A part answer is breadth, B square, C 20 square centimeter, D less than, E 1,000,000 cubic centimeter. Question 2, A is true, B is false, C is true, D is true and E is false. Question 3 was MCQ type of questions. The correct answer is B, which is 112 centimeters. Fourth one, A is the correct option, 34 centimeters. Fifth question, C is the correct answer, 7 square units. Because they have not mentioned whether it is centimeter or meter, so we will write 7 square units. Question 6, D is the correct option, 25 square millimeter. Question 7, A is the correct option, 4.8 kilometer. Thank you if you are one of those who has spent your time on my content. You should know that I consider it as a privilege and a responsibility. You have added meaning to my life. I am forever grateful. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.